Since COVID-19 has hit the Salvation Army and the community in the United States, the Salvation Army has immediately went into action working with the city to work with those who are unsheltered in our community. If you get the virus or something happens and you don't have a home to go to and shelter in, then what do? And so we immediately opened up what we are calling the Joy Center Quarantine Shelter. We launder every sheet, every pillowcase, every blanket every day. That's how important it is for us to have these washers and dryers. It saved us when we were at a stopping point that we didn't know which way to go because we couldn't get the services done. The great thing about GE Appliances, this isn't their first time helping us. They're no strangers to us, that they are such a good community partner. GE Appliances have taken a heavy load off my staff with what they've done for us.